Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you or enable secure connection on Chrome. So in order to do that, you can click on top right corner of your screen and click settings and click privacy and security, and this is the security, safe browsing, protection from dangerous sites and other security settings. Click it, and under safe browsing option there is a secure connection. So you can turn this on in order always use secure connection. For sites that do not support secure connection, get warned before visiting the site. So I recommend you to turn on secure connection. So Chrome will warn you for insecure public sites, maybe like prevent malicious sites attack your Chrome, attack your system. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe the button below. See you in the next video.